Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create Douyin account. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Douyin is the Chinese version of TikTok. First, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on your profile username on the top right. Then click on the plus sign. Then in here, sign in with a Google account. Then in here, click on the right button. A pop-up will then appear, prompting you to choose as to which Google account you want to use to create a new account. Choose one of your preference. Now wait for it for a few seconds. Then in here, you'll need to input your birth date. Go ahead, take your time. Make sure you select the year, month, and date. The one in the middle is the month. The one on the right side is the date. Once done, click on the red button. Then in here, you will need to create your username. Go ahead, take your time. Once you are done, just click on the red button. And there you go. You already have your very own new Douyin account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.